This is the BLMA CNC press brake with bending force of 170 ton and working length of 3.2 meters. This model is equipped with a CNC controller from BLMA-DA66S. So let's have a closer look to the controller. BLMA-DA66S is a basically more advanced version of a 66T controller. The only difference they have is the bigger screen. Other functions are all same. So this one is a very advanced controller. It has 2D programming, 2D simulation and 3D simulation. So let's hit one by one. We can see the drawing here. It was made on 2D programming. Here I can change the settings, the length. So after you're done with 2D programming, you can go and see bending sequence. So this one is 2D bending sequence simulation. Here we can see all of the bending sequence made one by one. Now we can switch to 3D simulation. As you can see, this is a 3D model of the machine. It shows you exactly the sequence of the bending of our product. After you are done with program creation, you can choose the tools, the upper punch and lower dies. You check everything is okay and then we can go to auto mode. Press the start button and machine is ready to use. Besides that, this controller supports a lot of languages, so you can use this machine across any country.